mass communication class. It's John Kerezy, and I just wanted to give you some additional instructions for the last two papers of your semester in JMC 1011. The first paper is called You Were Born In. It's an essay that should be about 2 pages in length, and it's due by this coming Sunday, July the 15th. I have emailed information to you about this. It's also up under papers if you look there. But just a few key points about this that I wanted to share with you. 4 things we grade on this paper. First is the actual era. Use your textbook, use research to correctly analyze the media of that era. So if you're writing about 1865, for example, put in your essay newspapers, magazines of 1865. You wouldn't put anything about radio or TV because it didn't exist back then. Second part, you need to talk a little bit about yourself at age 20. If you were going to be in the media then, what education or what internship or work would you be doing? Be completely accurate. Again, use research and put that into your paper to show what would be going on. Say you wanted to break into radio in 1935. Have that in there. The third part is with your role model. Again, do research. Make sure that person was active in the media at that point in time, and make sure you tell me why that person would be a role model for you. Something that they're well known for or famous or the very best at, for example. Most important of all is document all of this with footnotes at the end of your paper. The second paper and your final one is a career assignment. And you see information about that on the site on Tuesday, July the 10th. But this basically requires you to pick one of several professions and interview either over the phone, in person, absolute worst case, email people who work in that profession. Find out how they got into it, what they like about it, what they don't like about it. You must do some additional information or research on them, such as, not them, but on that career, such as salaries. It's considered completely impolite to ask somebody how much do you make. Don't do that. You do it by using the Bureau of Labor Statistics and other research that you find to come up with average salaries for that type of job or that type of career in which you write about in your paper. Remember, the deadline for that is a Monday, July the 30th. That's the very last Monday of the semester. It's actually week 10, so you be sure to be doing it then. Final reminder, please do pay attention to the news. We have one more news quiz coming up at some point in this semester. Do like I do. Read the paper.